Hi, Lee Summit High School students and staff. We are going to talk a little bit about the LSHS blood drive sponsored by National Honor Society. The blood drive is going to be held on Tuesday, February 22nd from 7:30 a.m. to 2 o'clock p.m. in the Building A gym. All presenting donors will receive this free t-shirt that you see on the screen. We are partnering with the Community Blood Center in Kansas City, and our 2022 goal is 115 units.
So why donate? Well, 1 in 3 people will need blood in their lifetime, and 4.5 million Americans would die each year without blood transfusions. Nearly 600 units of blood products are needed daily to support the over 60 hospitals in the Kansas City area that rely on the Community Blood Center. Many different types of patients, such as cancer, surgical, and trauma patients, require blood transfusion, and one donation has the power to save 3 lives. Someone needs blood every 4 minutes just in the Kansas City area, and every 2 seconds in the entire U.S. Blood cannot be artificially made, and donating impacts your community directly and can help to save lives. Our region has been in the midst of a blood shortage since the beginning of the pandemic, but the latest rise in COVID cases has added further pressure and left the Community Blood Center with only a 5-day supply, which is far below the ideal 7-day supply. So donors are needed now more than ever.
So who can donate? This slide shows a detailed list of if you are able to donate. So to donate whole blood, which is 1 pint, you must be at least 16 years old and weigh at least 110 pounds and satisfy some other height and weight requirements. To donate blood using the Alex machine, which is 2 pints, you must be at least 16 years old and meet the following height and weight minimums. If you're a guy, you have to be at least 5'1" and weigh at least 130 pounds, and girls have to be at least 5'5" and weigh at least 150 pounds. If you are 16 years old, you must have a Community Blood Center parent permission form signed. After you sign up for your time slot online, a parent permission form will be delivered to you. You must bring this signed form to the blood drive to donate. You can also pick up this signed form from the lunchroom cafeteria when we have signups, or you can pick it up from Mrs. Warden in room 3272 in Building A. If you are 17 years and older, you can donate without parental permission. We do ask that if you have a cold or the flu, and we'll talk a little bit more about COVID, you have to be symptom-free for 3 days. There are some other waiting periods for various conditions, so there's a brochure that will help you with that, or you can look online on the website. If you've recently had a body piercing, you can donate if it was done under sterile conditions. If not, they're going to ask you to wait 12 months after your procedure. And then if you've recently gotten a tattoo, you can donate if it was done in a licensed facility in Kansas or Missouri. If it was elsewhere, there'll be a 12-month wait. So when you arrive on the day of the blood drive, the CBC staff will ask these questions of you. So for COVID protocols, the CBC has specific protocols that are in place since they are the ones that are processing this blood drive. You must wear masks at all times during the donation process. Appointments are preferred to ensure that we can have some social distancing guidelines. We will allow walk-ins if capacity does allow for that. We are allowing outside guests this year. There's going to be a sign-up found on the Lee Summit High School website, and you're going to use group code LS, and we'll show you that in a little bit. History booths, donor beds, equipment are all thoroughly disinfected between each person by the CBC workers. Donors are instructed not to donate if you have a fever, if you have other COVID-19 symptoms, if you've had close contact with someone diagnosed with or suspected of having COVID-19 in the last 14 days, or if you have been diagnosed with or suspected of having COVID-19 until 14 days after your illness has resolved. The CBC wants to let you know that the blood donation process is safe for donors and staff. So in order to collect the blood donation, you will briefly come into contact with their staff members for things such as temperature and blood pressure and hemoglobin readings, as well as during the blood donation itself. But the time that you will be around these people will be minimized.
Okay, now we'll go over some ways that you can ensure you have the best donation experience possible. The day before, you want to be sure to hydrate and increase your fluids so that it's easy to draw the blood. The evening before, it's important to eat salty snacks and eat a large dinner. The night before, you want to get a whole bunch of sleep so you can be rested and ready. And then the morning of, you should eat a large breakfast and hydrate during the day right up until your donation. After your donation, you might want to eat some iron supplements or red meat to ensure that you will be able to reproduce the red blood cells you lost in the donation. It's also important that you wear a shirt with sleeves that can roll all the way up and will not restrict your blood flow. You must have an ID that shows your name and age on the day of the blood drive. This could be a driver's license, birth certificate, or a school transcript, which includes your date of birth.
So how do you sign up? We are going to have lunch signups the 3 days prior to our blood drive on February 22nd. So it's going to be the previous Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday during all lunch shifts. You will be able to also sign up by going to donate.savealifenow.org and using group code LS, or there is also a link on the Lee Summit High School homepage. So you'll see posters up throughout the school coming up soon, if you don't already see them. But if you go to the Lee Summit High School webpage and you scroll down to Tiger News, it might take a while depending on what page it's on, but right here's the blood drive. Tells you the date and the time. You can book your appointment. So you click here, you enter group code LS, and then it will take you to your options for donating. So you have the schedule here, and then you have the option to donate whole blood, which is the 1 pint. So it shows you the available times and how many slots. Or you can click on the 2 RBC. That's the Alex machine where you will donate 2 pints. And you can click on those time slots and then you'll sign up. So that is our blood drive. If you have any questions, we do ask that you contact an NHS sponsor. So that's Mrs. Warden, Mrs. Thomas, or Mrs. Little. Or you can talk to one of our officers or one of our NHS members. But we will hope that you will take some time out on February 22nd to come out and donate and help to save a life.